get a whiteboard, create a person, name them, like humanify them. That's not even a word, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Like,
Yeah, trademark. That's a good
It's a
name.
word.
I know, right? We'll roll with it. We'll roll with it.
Humanify.
Like define this person. Like I was talking about earlier in targeting, if you need to know the psychographic profiling of this person too. What is their ambition and motivation for uploading a custom design under the shirt, right? What is the is it because they have something that they are in love with that they want to tell the world about? Like it's really easy when you're and I think Custom Ink actually has a part of their business model that allows you to do this, and a lot of others do too. But we can't compete on features. You ain't gonna be able to compete against them in today's world, right? But what we can compete on is tapping into the psychographic profiling of this person, understanding their ambitions, why they would want to upload a custom design and wear that. And then define that person, write their psychographic profiling out, gender, age, household income, number of kids, where they live in the world. Are they in the north or the south? Because it's going to dictate the silhouettes that you present them to upload prints on. Go through the exercise and then translate all of those things into Ads Manager as you're targeting. And instead of, there's a little technical piece here that's really important. Instead of bundling all of them into an individual target, define one, a male who also has this interest, who also meets this criteria. And that who also part is going to be defined as narrowing your audience within Ads Manager. So don't bundle it all together. Each individual one of those demographic or psychographic profiles, you want them to stack on top of each other through the narrow audience way of integrating